welcome back to another episode, and welcome to Bueng Bua in Samroy Yacht National Park. Today we're going to go on a little boat to see the water lotuses. Come with us. What are you doing, little kitty kitty? When you're here, don't forget to stop by the coffee shop right behind the boats. Have a coffee. It's run by a very nice family and a nice child with a gun who will try to shoot you while you're here. Kapun krap. All right. All aboard. Ah, nice. Okay, we are starting the journey. He's starting up the engine. I got my co-pilot over here, Bobo.
Hi.
We're starting up the engine. Okay, and away we go. Let's go see some water lotus. This is the largest marine national park in all of Thailand. It is also the first freshwater national park ever in Thailand. To get into the park for a foreigner is 200 baht, but it also allows you to get access to the other national parks around here. So you can go to this national park, the other one, what's the name with the temple in it?
Thung Kiri.
Yeah, you can go there, so you can hit them all up in the same day because they're all in the general vicinity next to each other. And then if you want to take a boat for an hour, the boat is 500 baht. But you can also not take a boat and you can walk out on the large piers that they also have that go out over the water. It is currently the middle of December. And you really want to come see the lotuses. January, February, and March is the peak season. We're here a little bit early, but there are still some lotuses to see. a cave you can visit. So if you find him driving you to another area, maybe it's here to a cave. Turn around here. Yeah. It is just a short hike up the hill from the boat to arrive at this cave here. Come take a look. Captain Caveman. Zinnias. Huh, zinnias in the wild. Crazy. Out of the cave, back on the boat. Gonna continue the tour, see some more Lotus. Keep the engine going. You can also stop along the way and get up close to the lotuses. They don't smell like much, huh? No, they don't smell like a rose. Fun fact, I am growing these at home now. So soon I will show you some homegrown water lotuses. But I don't know what color yet because I haven't got a flower to open. This is a very popular park for bird watchers. And myself, I'm a bird watcher, so I'm enjoying it. I've probably seen maybe 20 different varieties of big birds since we've been here, right? Yeah. Of like all different kinds. Khao Pung Krop. Jorgen Mai Pumi. Well, that concludes another episode. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and I will see you next time.